Hi, I just got this in the mail. It's the prototype for Heroes of Tenefyr, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing. This was printed by the Game Crafter. That's a print-on-demand service, especially for board games. Keep in mind that all the artwork is just temporary. We're having artists work on actual good artwork. More about that soon. So, back of the box. Looks pretty good. It's better quality than I expected. Let's open it up. It's just kind of difficult with one hand. That's a lot of paper. So we got cards, lots and lots of cards. Tokens. Little boss token. A game board. And a rulebook. So, not bad. Quick overview on the back. Let's see if I can open these up. Here's the game board, the boss track with, I can open it, boss token. So, pretty nice quality, double-sided. But it's all about the cards, so let's have a look. Hang on. Some reward cards. Boss cards, hero cards. Lots of basic cards. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Good quality cards. Again, all the artwork is just temporary, but pretty happy with this. Thanks for watching.